Ladies and gentlemen, a month ago, the Commission presented the European Chips Act. With this act, we want to make Europe a leader in the global semiconductor production. And we also want to strengthen our resilience with homegrown, secure technologies, which are invaluable assets in the turbulent world we live in. Our goal is to have 20% of the world's microchips production in Europe by 2030. That's twice as much as today, in a market that is set to double in the next decade. And it's not just about quantity. I want Europe to cross new frontiers in innovation, breaking the 3 nanometers node barrier, for example, creating energy-efficient chips, and also developing new technologies, new products and applications that our minds can't even conceive today. Yes, this is a challenge. And to take it up is not just a question of building a few big fabs in some EU countries. We need to mobilize the best that Europe has. From fundamental research all the way to market applications. We need a network of research institutes, prototyping, testing, and advanced production and packaging facilities everywhere on the continent. In short, we need a true whole-of-Europe approach. And for this, of course, we need massive investments. This is what brings us here today. In total, more than 43 billion euros of public investment, both European Union and national level investment, will support the CHIPS Act until 2030. It will make Europe a more attractive place for tech companies to invest in cutting-edge chips development and production. And this is why I see today's announcement by Intel as a first major achievement under the EU CHIPS Act. An 80 billion euros investment over the next decade across the entire semiconductor value chain, from R&D to manufacturing and advanced packaging, with many strong local partners. It is a considerable contribution to the European chips ecosystem that we are building right now. It will create new, well-paid jobs throughout Europe, and I'm sure that it will pave the way for more companies to follow suit. My message is simple. Europe is a powerhouse of innovation. We have some of the best minds and talents in research and development. We have skilled workers. We have a stable and attractive market. And we are open for business. Thank you.